I sometimes come across salespeople who have high activity levels, but they just can't seem to get the deal done. Now, part of the problem is they aren't being transparent with their customers. These salespeople will meet with their customer for a coffee, but they'll never make their intention clear. They'll just meet for a chat. So they never expressly tell the customer, I'd like you to evaluate our product. Part of the psychology of this is that they don't want to appear like a pushy salesperson. The problem, of course, is the conversations tend to drift and there are never any real clearly defined next steps. So for your next customer meeting, try this. First of all, stop pretending that you're not a salesperson. Instead, tell the customer up front, if this meeting goes well, we would love you to evaluate our product. And then lay out for them what that typical evaluation process looks like, what will be the investment of time and resource from their end, and how you'll help them along the way. You can then look to get agreement on those next steps and see how things progress. Customers love to know there is a selling process and they can see how long it'll take and what kind of investment is expected.